Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today we're doing a Honda Brio Amaze. We're doing brake pads and discs on a Honda Brio Amaze. So someone saw my other video, they saw that I do brakes. They reached out to me in my community and asked if I want to do some work on their car for them, and gave them a price. And yeah, so today, stay tuned, we're going to be doing a set of Honda Brio brakes, and I'll take you through the process, guys. Yeah, so I just got back from the client now. I picked up the car. I'm on my way back to my place. So we're gonna do the seatbelt. We're gonna do the brakes. The pads are very thin on this car. It's actually very stressful. Guys, please maintain. Your brakes are one of the most important things in your car. So make sure you maintain that stuff, guys. It's really worth it. If you're not gonna maintain your brakes, you're gonna have problems. So yeah, I'll let you know when I'm jacking up the car, and you guys can have a look at what I'm doing and we go through it. But guys, I'll be with you guys soon. Cool, so this is the Honda Brio that we're busy doing now. We're doing a set of brake pads and discs on them. That's what I could get for it. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll try and get some close-ups and shots, but let's mount it on a tripod and let's get you guys going. So in true fashion, unfortunately, the brake pad is not the right one. So we're on our way back to our parts store to go get another one. So we're bringing the sample with, and we're going to go get the correct one now. So we're on our way to go get the correct one. So yeah, we're going to quickly drive and go get that, and then we will be back. I'm back with the right pads now. This is a client's pad, very thin. But anyways, guys, let's get this thing jacked up again and let's get it tackling, get it done. Yo guys, so unfortunately my phone died during the recording process. So I'm basically done now. Car's done, car's backed by the client. But guys, thanks for watching the video. And yeah, let's see if we can get another client on board. Let's see if we can get another car going for more brakes. But hope you guys have a nice day and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Cheers guys.